Package dimensions: 1.27 h by 15.494 l by 8.636 w centimeters. Fit type: vehicle specific. Country of origin: United States. Package weight: 0.1 pounds. 1/8 of an inch NPT female to M14 by 1.5 male. Top reviews from the United States. Used for water temp gauge on my diesel in the engine block. Needed this to install the water temp sensor into the engine block near the freeze plugs on my 6.0 Power Stroke. Only way to get an accurate reading. This was a great choice. Perfect for an oil feed, for turbocharged late model Chevy motors. I use this when I remove the oil pressure sending unit on the back of a LS motor, Gen 3/4 small block, and put a 1/8 inch fitting in the top to oil feed for turbos.